Good day guys, you're welcome to Browsingtechzone YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to claim your daily bonus on Mydailycash application. So as I've said in the description section of this video, this application will pay you $3 on a daily basis just to install some application and log into the application on a daily basis. So in our previous video I've shown you how this application works, how to register and how to start making money on the application. But a lot of individuals are having issue with the application. This is the reason why I'm releasing this video as a follow-up video. So if you haven't watched the previous video and you want to join, you want to be making use of this application to make daily cash for free. So all you have to do is to watch our previous video that that talk about the registration process and how to make money, the withdrawal, and everything you need to know about the application. Then you're going to know how the application works. Then if you're having issue claiming your daily bonus, then you can now watch this video. So if you have been having issue, I'm going to show you the possible issue that you might face on the application. I'm going to show you live in this video, and I'm going to provide you with appropriate solution. So you're welcome. But before I proceed with this video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe right now so as to get notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you. Okay, now that you've joined our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified, let's get started with the aim of this video, which is to show you how to claim your daily bonus uninterruptedly on Mydailycash application. So right here, as you can see, this is Talk Messenger. In our previous video I've shown you how to connect this application. So all you have to do is to log in. If I should scroll down right here, you will see this button. Can you see claim reward? And this is another one. That means in the next 24 hours this button will change to claim reward. This is where the problem comes. Let's go and see how it works. So this is claim reward. Let me click on claim reward. Immediately I click on claim reward, then I'm going to select the browser that I want to use to open it. Immediately I select the browser, I'll be redirected to my this application. Can you see? So this is the error message. I guess you also get this message when you are trying to claim your daily bonus on the application, but you don't have to panic or do whatever. So all you have to do is to click on this OK button. Immediately you click on this OK button, then locate these three black dots at the top right corner, then click on it. Immediately you click on it, you will see earn money button. Click on earn money button. Immediately you click on earn money button, then you will see link Mydailycash, link to Mydailycash. Click on link to Mydailycash and allow it to link successfully. Can you see? Successfully connected. So you will be given this information. Watch this countdown and let it count down to 0. Then click on yes, I understand. Another one will appear. This counts down 5 seconds. You have to wait for 5 seconds. Then after 5 seconds you click on I understand. Can you see? So that means I have been able to connect this both application right now, and I will be able to claim. Okay, let me click on OK, offer not claim. Can you see that? But remember, I've reconnected this both app right now. So all I have to do is to click on OK, then click on claim reward again. You will see that the reward will be claimed immediately right now. So let me click on open. Immediately I open it, then here we go. Congratulations, you successfully claimed the offer. Can you see? Go back to Mydailycash. Immediately I go back to Mydailycash, then this congratulations. All I have to do is to come back tomorrow and claim the bonus again. That's what I'll keep doing every day. I'll keep coming back and claim the bonus. You don't even have, if you are, can you see these are tasks on my dashboard right now? Can you see these are tasks? So sometimes you might have 5 tasks, 6 tasks, 2, 1, and sometimes you might have 0. So that's how it works. If you want to make more money on the application, you have to keep checking back for tasks. You take tasks when they are available, take surveys when they are available, and you will be able to accumulate more points so that you will be able to move closer to minimum withdrawal as soon as possible. So that's that about that. If I should go to my dashboard right here, my earnings dashboard, you will see the 30 coin that I just claimed right now. So this is the 13 coin right here. If I should scroll down right now, you will see my last withdrawal. Can you see? This is my recent withdrawal. This is equivalent to 1. Can you see? So this is the withdrawal. Can you see? So this is the total price. Can you see? This 11.60 USDT. So that's the withdrawal. If I should go to my email right now, let me just show you the notification I got from PayPal when I withdraw the money. So this is my PayPal account. Can you see my PayPal? Let me just search for PayPal so that can you see? So this is the money that I'm talking about. 11.60 USD. So that's about that. I made the withdrawal 5 days ago, and right now I said let me show you how you can solve all these possible errors that you might encounter on the app. So whenever you're having issue of maybe the app is not connected, maybe you connected yesterday and today it has disconnected and it's telling you that you cannot claim the offer or whatever, all you have to do is to open your Talk Messenger application, click on the 3 black dots and reconnect it. Immediately you reconnect it, the app will start functioning well. So that's about that. I think I've been able to show you everything about this app. And concerning this task, this app is very simple, that even if you are unable to perform tasks, maybe you don't know how to perform tasks, you don't know how to take surveys, you always get disconnected, all you have to do is to just keep the app on your phone, log in daily and claim your daily credits. Then you're going to be able to accumulate some dollars regardless, and make withdrawal to your PayPal account whenever you have minimum of 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $10. So that's that about that. If you are having any question about this application, how it works, and anything you want to ask about making $3 on my Mydailycash application, feel free to drop it in the comment section of this video, and I'll be glad to provide the appropriate response for you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and do have a wonderful day.